Hello and welcome to SteelMade. My name is Annie and today I am going to be unboxing a Junior Ultimate Kit. Now let's open it up. Okay, it's a bigger box and packaged very well. To start off with, we have the Toolkit, so you'll have a slotted spatula, a solid spatula, a scraper, and then 2 bottles. One I usually use for water, and then one I just put oil in, but you can do whatever you want with those. We also have some flat top scrub. Flat top scrub is in a glass jar, that's why it's in a bubble wrapped bag, so make sure that you are aware there is glass in this package. And then flat top scrub is used to get any kind of food bits or anything off the flat top that won't just come off with water. And then we have flat top oil. We have flat top oil. This is used to help the seasoning process of your flat top. And we have wood oil. There's wood oil in this because the Ultimate Kit does include a cover board for the flat top. Then make sure here's the manual. The manual packaging does include the drip tray for the flat top, for the junior flat top. So please make sure that you don't just toss this. You'll feel the weight to it anyway, know that there's something in there, but that is where your drip tray is contained. And then also please make sure you review all the instructions included in the manual. There's lots of pictures and this will help answer any questions that you most likely will have. And then for the flat top itself, I think, making sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get this out without making a huge mess. Okay, so here is the flat top, the junior flat top. The plastic bag is because it will be oiled, and that is for protection in shipment. We don't want any moisture getting to the flat top prior to it reaching you. So we do pre-oil them, and that's why it's in a plastic bag. And I'm going to leave it like that because we will package these back up and send them back out. The junior flat top is more of a square shape, and then it has the drip tray holes over here in the corner. The junior flat top is designed for a 30-inch 5-burner gas stove. So if you have one of those, this is a great option for you because it'll leave a little bit of, or 2 of your burners still open because that 5-burner has a middle burner in there, and then you'll have 2 burners still open to use for pots if you're gonna make soup or any type of rice or anything like that. Next, I see the cover board is in a box. So I'm gonna pull the box out and show you how it will be packaged and hopefully not flip a whole bunch of packing peanuts your way. And then I'm going to open the box and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the cover board unboxed and I'm going to open it up and pull it out here. This is a walnut cover board. You can get the cover board also in maple. The walnut has strips of maple at the top and the bottom. And then also on the back of the cover board, there is grooves because this cover board will set over your flat top. So that's why it's called a cover board. It does act as a cutting board, but it is to cover the cover board or to cover the flat top when it's not in use to protect it from debris such as dust and dander and fur or anything like that. So this is a great piece or addition, and I love that it's in this kit because I feel like everybody should have this. It also creates more countertop space when you're not using your flat top. Great option to have if you're looking for anything that you want to protect the flat top or just kind of hide it when not in use. Also, there should be a manual inside the box, so please make sure you read that so that you are able to preserve and maintain the look of your cover board. If you have any questions about these products or any of our SteelMade products, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa or go to our website, SteelMade USA, and chat with one of our representatives who are willing and waiting to help you. Thank you and have a great day.